Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Disco plugin, which is a WooCommerce dynamic pricing and discount plugin. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. So in this video I'll be using the Pro version, but you can get started with the free version to test it out. So let's look at their pricing here first. Okay, so you can subscribe to a yearly license or a lifetime license over here. So you can just get started with the one site license for $69 a year. And then here's just the features comparing the free and the pro version. So with the pro version, you just get more functionality with the discounts. But in terms of the essential features, they offer a lot of discounts already in the free version, such as bulk order discounts and location-based discounts, as well as just specific discounts for groups. So those are some pretty essential core features. Okay, so I'll show you how to install the Disco plugin for free if you're not going to purchase a license. So first go in your WordPress dashboard and then go into plugins and add new. Okay, and then search Disco plugin. Okay, so it'll be this one here. So I'm using the pro version. So my version will be slightly different. So I'll just update the plugin here. But in your case, you can install it. Okay, great. So now let's look over the plugins. So what you want to do is go here into Disco. So you can see all the available discount campaigns you have available. So I'll create one from scratch here first. Okay, so first get started with just creating a discount. So I really like how clean the UI looks. As soon as you get in the app, you're able to create a discount. Okay, so create a discount. Okay, so first let's just do a discount based campaign. So let's follow what they have here. So 20% off all products. Okay, so we'll select this one here. So the product discount. Okay, and then we'll just keep it simple and do all products and just have it run continuously, but you can set a specific date and then we can select the percentage discount. So we'll say 20%. Okay, and then you can also add additional conditions here. So we can view their filters here. So say certain categories or tags. So they have a lot of filters available for you to choose from. Okay, so I'll just delete the condition here. Okay, and then we'll do save and exit. Okay, so I'll just turn this one off. Okay, great. So the next discount that we can do is a cart-based discount. So go here into create a discount and we'll do cart-based. Okay, and so we'll just say, okay, so next let's add a cart-based discount. So go here into create a discount and do cart-based. Okay, so first name the campaign. So I'll just name it 10% off cart. Okay, and then it'll be applied to all products. Okay, we'll make this one a percentage discount. So it'll be 10%. So we'll just say 10% off is the value, and then we'll add the condition. So here we'll search for cart value. Okay, so we look over here. If cart subtotal is greater than or equal to say 100, then the discount will apply. Okay, so we'll save this. Okay, great. And then we'll update and exit. Okay, great. So this has been applied. So this discount will apply automatically if the customer spends $100 or more. So now let's create a discount for buying in bulk. Okay, so go create a discount and then we'll choose bulk here and then we'll say buy 5, get 20% off. So you can select which products you'd like this bulk order to occur on. Okay, so let's just select the product. Okay, so we can select a few products here. Okay, and then the minimum quantity is 5, and then they'll get 20% off. Okay, and you don't need to fill in any conditions. Save and exit. Okay, so next let's create a bundle discount. So this is when a certain combination of products will allow the user to get an additional discount. So we'll create discount and then go to bundle discount. Okay, so I selected bundle here. So let's just say bundle deal. Okay, and then you'll select the products which you want this bundle to apply to. So we'll just search t-shirt again. Okay, so I'll just select 5 products here. Okay, and then the quantity rules is if they purchase any 2 of these items, then they'll get a 10% discount. Okay, and then another one, if they purchase 5, then they'll get 20% off, as they're buying in part of a bundle. Okay, and then save and exit. Okay, so the next campaign we'll set up is a buy one, get one campaign. So go here into create discounts and do buy one, get one. Okay, and then we'll do, say, buy 2 shirts, get 1 free. Okay, and then we'll select the products which we want this campaign to apply to. So we'll just search shirts. Okay, I'll just select these 4 here. Okay, so you can either choose it to be the same product or to be a different product. Okay, so we'll just do the buy X, get X. Okay, so if they buy 2 of any of these shirts, then they'll get 1 for free. So in our case here, it's buy 2, get 1 free. And then we can save and exit. Okay, next I'll set up a buy X, get Y discount code. So this is different than the buy 2, get 1 free, as it's the same product that you're getting free. But buy X, get Y is where you get a different product if you buy a certain quantity of another product. So I'll show you how to set that up right now. So go to discounts, buy 2 shirts, get 1 free hat. Okay, and then this will be a buy 1, get 1 discount. And then we would search the product. So just search that blue shirt that you're looking at. Okay, so it's this one here. So over here, you want to just make sure you do buy X, get Y. Okay, so if customer buys 2, at least 2 of these blue shirts, then they'll get 1 hat. So just search hat. Okay, this one here, and they'll just get 1, and it'll be free item over here. Okay, and then I'll save and exit. Okay, great. So lastly, I'll set up a free shipping campaign. So go to create discounts and do shipping. Okay, and then we'll name this spend 100, get free shipping. Okay, and then we'll just apply it to our product, and then the condition. Okay, and then select filter, and okay, and then we'll search for cart down here. So if cart subtotal is greater than or equal to 100, then they'll get free shipping. Okay, so you don't need to add anything else, and then save and exit. Okay, great. So we created these 6 type of discounts using only the Disco app. So let's try to test it out. Okay, so first I'll just disable all of our campaigns. Okay, and then I'll just activate them one by one. So we'll do the 20% off first. Okay, and go to visit store. And as you see here, all products have been discounted by 20%. So that's how that discount works. Okay, so next I'll do the cart discount. So I'll disable the 20% off and enable the cart discount. Okay, and if we check over here, the cart needs to be greater than $100. So go to visit store. And then I'll just purchase something over $100. So let's say these dark jeans. Add to cart. Okay, and then view cart. And awesome, so the 10% off has been applied here. Okay, so I'll go back to Disco and we'll do the buy 5, get 20% off. So enable that. And go into the details here, and we just need this t-shirt. So copy that and go to store. And I'll just search the product here. Okay, and then I'll just purchase 3 and view cart. Okay, I think we need to buy a 5, I believe. So just change this to 5 and update. And awesome, so our discount has been applied. Okay, so next we'll try our bundle deals. So go here into bundle deal and enable this one. Okay, and again with the 5 products here. So if you select any quantity of these items, then the discount will apply. So I'll search for the purple one as well. So just copy this, go back to our cart here, and go back to store. Okay, so back on the store here, I'll just add in that purple shirt. And then I'll add in 2 of these ones and add to cart. View cart. Okay, and then I'll just put 3 of the blue shirts. So we have 5 and we should get a 20% discount. Awesome, so that has been applied here. Okay, so next we'll do the buy 2 shirts, get 1 free. So I'll just turn this off and enable the buy 2 shirts. Okay, go back to our cart here. Okay, so back here on our store, let's scroll down and go back to this blue t-shirt product here, as that's part of the selected products, and we'll select 2 and we should get 1 for free. So add to cart, view cart, and awesome. So we have 2 that we will purchase and then we get 1 for free. So we get 3 t-shirts. Okay, so now I'll test the buy 2 shirts, get 1 free hat discount. So I'll turn that on, go back to our store here. Okay, and then I'll search for the blue shirt. So this one here. And then I'll add 2, add to cart, view cart. And awesome, so this is working. So we have 2 of the shirts here and we get the free hat. Okay, lastly, let's do the spend 100 get free shipping. So just disable this and enable that campaign and go back to our cart here and I'll just refresh. Okay, and then I'll just change the quantity to 3 so it's over 100 and check out. And awesome, so this will apply the free shipping, assuming that you have your shipping settings set up. So we validated all of our discount codes, and I would recommend the Disco plugin to set up discounts on a WooCommerce website, as it makes it really easy to set up different types of discounts. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to follow along and learn more about the Disco plugin and how it can benefit your business in providing discounts and dynamic pricing. Again, if you're interested, you can click the link in the description to get access to the pro version of the plugin. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.